deep inside my soul.
That's Buddy Guy. Blues done turned me wild. Buddy Guy is a wild man from way back in the day. Today, we're going to take a look at Omission Brewing Company. Omission is owned by the Widmer Brothers Brewing Company. And the story behind this is their brewmeister, his wife, who has celiac disease. And celiac disease is an actual gluten intolerance thing. It's not that, oh, I'm gluten intolerant, like all the twat-knotted soy boys running around they're having problems with. She really has it, and you know you have it from infancy. It's absolute nightmare. It doesn't usually happen in Western Europeans because for 10, 20, 40,000 years we've been agricultural, growing wheat, and so kind of pushed its way out, you know. Evolution or intelligent design. Whatever makes you friggin' happy. Neither here nor there. Enough proselytizing for one. I grabbed this just for shits and giggles off the wall, and I did not realize it was going to be gluten, crafted to remove gluten. So I don't know if it's gluten free or not. Calories, carbohydrates, protein, and fat. There's no fat in beer? Then why am I getting so friggin' fat? Maybe it's the carbohydrates or whatever bullshit they've dreamed up this week. I know I am fat. I don't move my fat ass around enough. Anyway, I cheated, poured the beer early so that I could shoot the pictures. Because a lot of times it forces me to have a couple of beers before, yeah, there's a hazy effect, before I wind up getting to the videos, and by the third or fourth beer, off the rail shit show. So yeah, I have that really bad thing where I get drunk and then I can continue to drink. Just right off the bat though, look, she's lacing really nice. Not bad considering. I've done nothing to this beer yet. The head just collapsed. So let's give her the nose. Smells good. You know, I'm always hesitant on this kitschy kind of shit, but when you go to their page and you read the story, and the guy said, you know, my wife's got celiac, but I really wanted to make her a beer she was able to drink. It's like, all right, give it a shot. What the fuck? Smells good. It's light in the nose. It's a lager, right? We like lagers. Lagers are good summer beers. Give her the tongue. It's kind of odd. Before the beer hit the tongue, it felt like it was going to come in heavy. And then this thing must have a super fast burn rate because gone. Clean, crisp, and dry on the back end, though. That's always nice. You want to sit there and be sucking down oils. Go for another. Good. If you didn't tell me it was gluten-free, I wouldn't know. Again, I always look at it as kind of kitschy, but the guy's story kind of plays out. So, one thing I neglected to show you, because there's always something I fuck up on a video, is we're joined by a very special guest today, the POTUS. The POTUS opened our beer for us today. Thank you, President Trump. I appreciate your willing to work with the simple man. I bought it online, $5-6. It's a piece of crap and it's plastic. So this is just going to go on the board and stay there, because I get the feeling that the POTUS is not going to be the most reliable bottle opener on the planet. At some point his head's going to pop right off. I don't want to be responsible for popping the president's head off. Know what I mean? Anyway, They label it as bright and crisp. They are not wrong. It is 100% non-GMO, which makes sense when you're trying to brew something that's healthy for your wife with celiac disease. She literally has the inability to break down the gluten. Some people do. It's a really fucked up thing to have, too. Widmer Brothers, we got Omission Lager, we got reduced gluten, we got celiac disease, we covered 4.6 ABV, 18 IBU. The SRM on this is, she is pretty. She is right above straw, so it's good too. Right, it's right there. Plus, if you've ever looked at the SRM chart, like 150 grades, and I'm like, dude, I'm a guy. I have a penis. I can't tell the difference between Navajo or eggshell or ecru or whatever fucking bullshit they make up when it comes to colors. The malts are going to be pale and two-row. The hops are Millennium and Cascade. This beer is so well done, you don't even taste the hops. Again, it's a lager, not supposed to. It shouldn't taste like friggin' floor cleaner. So, 18 IBU. Chilices. The flavor's there. Again, if we're looking to replace crappy Big Ten race car GMO light beers, another excellent choice. Really good, really solid. Flavor is not overpowering. I like German beers. I will tell you right off the bat, I can drink German beers, even the heavy ones. Just not right now. It's too friggin' hot. It's $1.06 in the backyard or something. That's about all I got for you, folks. If there's anything you need to know, please feel free to hit me up. I'd be more than happy to work with you. Tell you whatever I can do. Otherwise, if you just want to bullshit, good with that too. I've actually had people contacting me now. We've had social intercourse on the internet. What do people think? This is the fucking 90s? Anyway, thanks for checking in. I will catch you on the next beer, which will probably be Metric Friday because I don't have anything really planned. Let's let Buddy play us out. Thanks for putting some eyeballs, folks. Skol.